Why hello there, I'm maybe Zoe, that's my main channel, and this is my PO box. Anyway, it's Noe's first time playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Yippee. Hello everyone, it is I again, maybe Zoe, here to continue my gameplay of Red Dead Redemption.
Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see
Aha.
you're him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You still here then?
Yeah, we've been here.
I owe you. Yeah. And you'll pay me.
Can I skip this?
For the moment.
I don't think I want to skip it right now because I want it fresh in my mind.
I think it's time for the train.
It's time for choo-choo. Okay, I remember. The kid's gonna come in, take a look at him.
It's just a scratch. Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail. Jackie.
The boy wanted to see you, John.
The boy.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now,
Goes on deathbed and we're
railway
bullying
man.
him.
Bill, now you ride ahead.
Yay!
Set the charge at the
We're
water
going
tower
after a
just before
train.
the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I
Oh yeah,
thought
he
we was
doesn't
lying
want
low.
no problem.
What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even
Not for
you.
long.
But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No.
But I don't fancy going to no
Trying to
train
remind
either.
you, I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate.
Bad one.
Sugar dealer, oil man.
Well,
What
how
do you mean
good
you've
for
never
him.
heard about him,
Sounds like
Arthur?
he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves.
Ah!
Get your horses ready.
Huzzah!
We have a train to rob.
We going. Who the hell is Leviticus Cornwall?
Let's head out.
Nice. How do I see my journey? My journal, my journal entry. Settings, controls, keyboards and mouse. I forgot. No, what? That's okay. Help, yes. General. Photo mode, get around, saving. You know what? I don't need to check no journal entry. Why the graphics kinda suck? Graphics. Resolution, screen type, windowed. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna keep everything on low. What if it crashes?
Okay, gentlemen, listen up, all of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscolls,
Okay.
the train will be coming north from Big Valley.
Formation.
We're gonna pick it off after it crosses.
No, I want formation.
There's a race
Bro, what the
there
fuck?
that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way?
You know what? I'm just staying here.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run
Bro.
the point. Lenny, Javier, you two take the front cars.
I
deal with
suppose
any
I stay in the
noise.
front then.
Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's
Okay.
what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan. Great. Have you got a problem with that? Not if you keep your head for once.
Huh.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough. After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast.
Yeah, I'm in formation, you see? Because
Is
I'm amazing.
everyone clear on what they're doing?
No, I already forgot everything.
Yes, boss.
Good. Now come on. Let's ride.
Okay. I'm with the guy who doesn't want to do shit. Great. I like horses. Thought I'd share. Look at us. We're gonna ride till dawn. What was that? Is my PC just dying?
Snow, finally.
Ah.
Feels good, doesn't it? But we need to get this done fast. Now it's thawing before anyone gets up here after us.
I'm concentrated.
Oh, look at you boys. See?
Formation.
Call it
Ah!
crew.
That's a crew, yeah.
Charles Smith,
A crew.
Javier, Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're back at him, Dutch.
We're gonna kill everyone. I gotta kill. I wanna kill people.
I'm ready.
Just stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That goes for all of you. No mistakes. Not again.
I don't remember committing any mistake besides dying in an alternative timeline.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah? That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back.
Jesus
And that's
Christ,
the end
okay.
of it.
We don't question the boss.
You'll just have to trust me.
Yeah, like a safe trust. Like a trust fund. Sorry.
Good money.
Capitalistic
Once we work
jokes.
out how to cash them. Now everyone, shut up and get your mind on the job at hand. Come on. There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge.
Okay. That's a person. We gotta kill it.
Yeah. You want to head down? See how he's getting on?
Okay.
Okay.
Check on Bill. The fuck am I supposed to check on Bill? Just don't die. It's very easy, Snowy. Just gotta do a thing that is not dying. Bill! I'm gonna go with my horse. I don't care. Bill.
How you getting on?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
No, fuck off.
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Okay. Pick up a spool. Don't I gotta get off the horse? How do I get off the horse? Horse. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Okay, it's E. But stupid. I don't know why I kept going with shift or everything. Pick up, yes. My horse going away. Can you be any slower? God damn it, Arthur. Okay. Oh, look at this. Angles. Cinematics.
Okay, this is good.
Yep.
All
That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Okay. What you looking for?
Come on, boy.
Let's go. Pokotop, pokotop, pokotop. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. I wanna kill people. I wanna rob them.
All of you, no mistakes.
Stop.
What's going on?
He says all fine.
What's going on?
Everything okay?
I think so.
Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now.
Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is my... Ah, here it is. God damn it. Oh, finally, okay.
Gentlemen,
It's not quite covering the face. It was glitching a bit. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I am so excited, we're gonna rob a train! I honestly don't remember what to do.
Here we go.
It didn't work.
Shit! No! What? God!
oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Where did you find that
Moral, you said it was fine.
Come on!
Oh my fucking god.
Pathetic. You know that?
Yeah, sure, I'm pathetic.
Here we go.
Woo! Somebody died.
I'm slipping.
Go get him. Get him.
Hey, down here.
I've got you. Now stop yelling.
Get here, Lenny.
Shit.
Okay, I've got it. Oh, okay, I understand it now.
Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
It fell.
Fell. The others will get him.
You and me, big man.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him?
I'm gonna take the lead.
You cover me.
Okay.
Fuck. Fuck, what the fuck? I am getting my gun. Fuck. Okay. Oh yeah, there's a dead eye thing.
Let's keep moving.
Finally.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, who else dead?
Still doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't.
Oh yeah, let me just check the food. That's important, right? I remember things. My health's kind of good, I guess. Yeah, sure.
Nap.
Yum yum yum. Through the thing, yes.
Gotta hurry. We have to stop this train.
That's what we're doing, kid.
Okay, what now? Okay,
We moving up?
not a chance.
How you doing there?
I'm okay.
I'm good. Don't know about you, but I'm good. Gotta rob a train. Filha da puta!
Boys will never catch us.
I know. Just stay calm.
Break free.
Got him? I ain't got a clear shot.
Aha. Good, good. I want my gun. Give me my gun.
We have to stop this train.
My hat. No. Nice.
Shit, more guards coming out of that
Hey.
train car.
Okay. Okay. nice.
Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this guy?
Doing good, kid.
Oh my fucking god.
Where the hell are the others?
I don't know. God damn it. I thought that was all of them.
Gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. Hey, there's the other boy.
Can barely see shit. Okay. I've got it. I have got it.
Good shit.
How about the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this?
Arthur, get over here.
Oh. Where's over here? Okay, that's the group I was trying to kill them. Oopsies.
You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
Where's my hat?
Fellas hold up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there?
Oh my god.
Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my
Oh my god, we're gonna
word.
die. We're gonna
Trust
die.
me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay. You asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4,
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1.
We're gonna die.
Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little. Listen up. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite.
Oh, nice.
You boys go blow that door open.
Sure. Oh, thank you. That's very nice of
Now,
you.
don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
La la la. La 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 la.
Seems good enough. Not
Here we
like
go.
the fuse.
Here we go. Let's just stay here. See
Unless
how-
you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
Oh, thank you. They disappeared, didn't they?
All right, come on. Just walk on out here.
I want to
We
kill.
don't want to kill you.
My,
We just want to rob your boss.
Yeah,
Get on
we have
up
principles.
there. Search that train.
Let me walk. Bro, what you doing? I'm trying to walk. Yes.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've
Damn.
seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake.
Nice. Yes, I'll
Just
take.
gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will ya? I'm parched.
Shut up. Me and Arthur did all the work.
Yeah, kid did good. Didn't see
Oh my
you
God.
rushing to jump on that train.
Letter should have
He's
this Cornwall
keen.
from
I'll give you
Illinois. We
that.
yet the payment of $2,000 for the initial phase of exploration.
Let's see if we can get this open.
When you work for a greedy
Come on.
Hmm.
Come on.
Okay.
Get in there.
Take. Take.
Ah. There. See? That's how it's done. Shit.
Take.
Just a pile of papers.
Bonds?
I don't think so.
Oh.
Here. Make yourself
I want
useful.
everything I
At least
can
we all
get.
know you can read.
Give me those.
Take.
Railroad contracts, invoices,
Take.
blah blah blah. You got anything?
Not really. Sugar
Back the
imports from
card.
the Spanish West Indies. A lot of sugar.
Okay.
Some fancy new boaties ordered from Europe.
I am not robbing another boat as long as I live.
No boats. Got it.
Have
Search
you
cabinet.
checked all the drawers and cabinets?
Oh.
No, this looks like something.
Yeah, this is interesting.
How's it looking in there?
Shit. The bond.
I think I got him. Nice. Well, thank God. Come on.
Better take the cigar. La la la. Hey gang, it's me. Yo girl. Yeah
What
boy.
did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily.
Ooh.
Well done. Now, would you
Yeah, I'm
rid of
smart.
all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you.
Up to
Kill 'em,
me?
Leave them here. Take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride.
I suppose I'm not gonna kill them. Okay, so
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you.
yeah.
Any bright ideas, I kill all three. So behave.
I don't want to kill them.
Move. We won't tell a soul, I swear. Said quick.
My horse is left behind. I love my horse. Can I waste my time looting? The fuck was that? Hello? Oh, my horse is following me because my horse is amazing. The best horse around. Right, boy? Yeah. I'm taking my sweet time, I know, but hey, can't blame me. Okay. Here we go. Choo-choo! Okay, I'm not going with the train. I left people alive. We're gonna tell what I did. Oh my god. I'm stupid. But you see, my heart is made of gold and chaos.
Oh, for Lord's sake, put that book away and go help. Oh, Mary Beth.
Hello everyone, it's me, a girl.
So
Why
we
did the
heading
weapon
out of this
disappear?
hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine.
I think
We'll be
we
able
should
to
go
hide
to
out there,
Brazil.
no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one.
Okay,
Bring
so
Hosea.
our only obligation here, keep the nose clean, no cocaine. I think we've got it.
Old Dutch.
Oh, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful cutscene. Ooh, song. I'm watching. I'm concentrated. I watch.
Lenny! Micah, get over here!
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've
Sir,
got
yes
enough
sir, type
Me,
shit sir.
boy.
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
gameplay already? Oh, no, no, no. Everyone, this is good enough for today. Everyone, you know the drill. This was it for today. For now, maybe Snowy.